Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Larkspur, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're wishing to take the stress out of your move, our experienced movers help make your long-distance move easier. We'll help you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to beyond 2,000 miles. The right moving services make all the difference, and our staff provides just what you require for your upcoming move. Along with the standard long-distance moving services, we also offer each of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It may not be simple to rationalize the cost of hiring a California moving company. However, after a close look at the primary benefits of working with a local moving company, you are likely going to find that it's well worth it. The time savings you gain can make hiring a moving company one of the best choices you've made. You will also avoid the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our team of experienced movers will make sure your move is quite efficient. When moving with a local company like 3 Movers, you get a structured strategy for moving day. Moving locally may be very fast, and our team can handle even a huge move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Larkspur moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.